Alright, you see this metal? It almost looks like a silver bar, right? Or a metal you would use to fix a pipe or maybe just throw in a drawer and forget about. But this little guy has a superpower. Meet gallium. Gallium is the 31st element on the periodic table, located in group 13, which is the nerdy way of saying it's a metal. Shocker, right? Gallium is extremely interesting as it melts at about 85.6 degrees Fahrenheit, which means if you held it in your hand long enough, it would start melting like an ice cube. Okay, it does take a while to melt in your hand. You might need some patience, no, a lot of patience. But if you warm it up just a bit, say leave it in a warm room or put it in some hot water like I'm doing right now, and it will quickly start melting down into its liquid form, which I think looks really cool. It almost looks like molten aluminum or silver, which is kind of crazy because if you tried holding those in your hands, it would burn a hole through them. And here's the best part about gallium. Once it cools down, it just solidifies back into a metal again. And as long as it stays clean, it can do this over and over and over again. It's like a never-ending magic trick. Here I accidentally spilled some on my arm, and it really just felt like cold water running down it. It was really crazy. And luckily, due to the fact that it's non-toxic to the skin, it was totally fine. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'll be sure to make more chemistry-based content in the near future here, so feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see any of it. Have a good one, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.